Good morning, everyone. I just woke up. So I wake up every morning at 4:30. I do my daily affirmations. Thank you so much, Satan, for buying my soul and giving me my 100,000 YouTube subscribers. And then I meditate for the next 3 hours. And then I go on my 14-mile hike through the woods. By the time my morning routine is done, it's now 5 a.m. and I'm ready to start my day. Good afternoon, you guys. This afternoon, I decided to be a little bit adventurous and hike El Capitan. As you can imagine, I'm a little bit tired, so I decided to whip up something really simple for dinner. So I just made a really simple salad entirely comprised of Belgian endives with a topping of roasted bell peppers, some dragon fruit, aged goat cheese, fresh Algerian dates, Tanzanian pine nuts, and a simple dressing of the finest Italian truffle oil. So I've been in the woods for about a week now. I don't have very much food. I have some rice, and I have some old sour cream, so I guess we're gonna put that together and see what we can make for dinner. Hi guys, so I just took a shit for the first time in 3 weeks. Thank God they have a gas station down the road because I don't have a toilet. Am I really about to take a shit in a coffee can? Oh, what does my life come to? Hi guys, so I recently found this beautiful swimming hole. It's in a cave and it's on this guy's farm. He has no trespassing signs, but I don't think he'll really mind if I go take a dip. I think if I tell him I'm a YouTuber, he'll let me off the hook. It's fine. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm super excited to show you guys the area. It's really beautiful. It was really hot today and I thought it would be a good idea to go take Millie down the road to this river and go swimming. I think she got toxic algae poisoning and I got a fucking leech on my leg. Hi guys, so I just got back from sledding for the past 5 hours. It's about negative 37 degrees outside, but as soon as I came in, I turned on my wood stove and now it's about a balmy 93 degrees in here. It is negative 37 degrees outside right now. Please send help. Shit. Hi guys, I know it's been 2 days since I last live streamed, but I'm currently in the middle of Mount Everest. I climbed it yesterday. The internet connection up here is absolutely amazing. I was not expecting that. Come on, pick up. Yes, I have an emergency. Hello? Shit. It's 97 degrees outside right now, so it's a little bit warm. Whenever it gets a little warm outside, I just open up one of my windows and turn on my ceiling fan, and it creates a nice cross breeze. It's honestly just as good as air conditioning. I'm sweating profusely because it's hotter than a witch's tit outside, and I opened up my window for about 2 seconds, and within that amount of time, 100 mosquitoes just flew inside, and now I'm being eaten alive in my kitchen. So this is my extremely high-tech fridge. As you can see, it's really big. It holds all of the produce that I need for my week, and it's pretty affordable. It only cost me about $50,000. So in my fridge, I'm able to store all of these groceries, plus a carton of eggs. Believe it or not, there's actually room left over. In my fridge, I have room for some garlic. I have a little bit of butter and some guacamole. So I have all of the essentials. So one perk of Vanlife is that I'm completely off of the grid. My one solar panel gives me all of the electricity that I could possibly need. I can run my lights, my bandsaw, my treadmill, my blender, my drill, my electric piano. I love that thing. And then also my Tesla. So if I time this perfectly, I'll be able to charge my laptop to at least 50% if I charge between noon and 4 p.m. because that's when I'll get full sun exposure. But then if I forget to unplug it, my batteries could explode. So is it really that important? Van life with dogs is super easy, okay? Whenever my Huskawiwa doesn't feel like going bungee jumping or surfing or going on the plane so I can go visit my parents on the other side of the country for the week, he can just stay in the van. It's completely fine. So I just ran into the store for 2 minutes. I left the air conditioning on. It is 70 degrees outside. As you guys know, Millie has separation anxiety, so whenever I'm gone, she starts panting and freaking out. So I come back outside. She's up in the windshield, freaking out, panting. There's 3 people surrounding my RV trying to break my windows because they think that she's dying of heat stroke. I open up my door and show everyone that it's about 65 degrees inside and that she's just panting because she's freaking out from anxiety. Now it's time for me to take my second shower of the day. I have a 100-gallon freshwater tank, so I can take as many showers as I'd like. I'm walking on sunshine. I say certified free.
6 hours later.
You raise me up. So I chose today to take my one shower of the week. I only have about 3 gallons of water, so it's gonna have to be really quick. It's freezing! This is what I call the trickle. It's how you conserve water while showering. How am I already out of water? Shit. Alright, I'm done making fun of myself. And yes, that story about toxic algae is true. But it's not as bad as it sounds, okay? Millie is perfectly fine. I'm fine too, thank you for asking. In all reality, this video is not meant to send hate in anyone's direction. If you think that I was aiming at a certain YouTuber or something, I wasn't, I promise. The point of this video, other than being somewhat entertaining, hopefully, was to shine some light on the realities of van life. Because van life is just so difficult and hard. No, I'm just kidding. I'll speed this up because I've said it a million times. I have a script.
Van life isn't always as glamorous as people make it seem online. Just because someone is happy on camera doesn't mean their life is absolutely perfect. Don't believe any facade someone tries to put up online.
Unless it's me, of course. No, I'm just kidding. I get depressed all the time. But thank goodness that I was here to tell you guys all of this information that you already knew on your own. What would you do without me? Also, I'm well aware that I've done some of the things that I made fun of in this video. So feel free to point out if you think I'm a hypocrite. That's all good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I know you've been thinking about it for a while. I can't wink. That's the best you're getting, okay? Also, don't forget to like and comment. It's a free way that you can help the channel. If you would like to support the channel, I have Patreon, which is always linked in the description if that's something you're interested in. By all means, feel free. If you have no interest at all, then I completely understand that too, okay? So, no beef. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out. I have no idea what that was, but we'll work with it. Quickly, before I go, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who supports the channel on Patreon. Because of you guys, I'm able to continue making content and show you all of the beautiful places that the United States and many other places in the future have to offer. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And an extra special thank you goes to Doug, Heath Taylor, Scott Becker, John Emerson, Scott Ashley Smith, Michael Posh, Scott Ballantyne, Scott Sweaters, Paul Carpenter, Britt Saunders, Johan Gittens, and Jordan Vajda. Once again, thank you guys so very much for supporting the channel on Patreon. I hope all of you have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is when this video reaches you. Peace out, I'll see you in my next video, bye-bye. And a simple salad made with 3 grams of saffron from the Belgium endives.
Belgian endives.
Endives? And a large heaping of Belgium endives. Endives.
Belgian endives.
Belgium.
Belgian.
Side salad with 3 grams of saffron and what am I supposed to say? And a bunch of Belgian endives. Millie and I just went for a dip in a river down the road, and I think she got toxic algae poisoning. Guys, Millie and I decided, yeah, because Millie's making the decisions, that makes sense. So in my fridge, I'm able to fit all of these. Hi guys, so I just finished sledding. It's about, but I'm inexplicably dry. So one of the perks of living off the grid is that why can I not say this? So one of the perks of living off the grid is that I have unlimited electricity. No, that's not it. What am I gonna say? I already have it written down. What am I saying? This was the last thing I thought about when it comes to shitting. I don't know. So this guy can see me recording this right now, and it's really embarrassing. Holding toilet paper and a coffee can. He can see me through my window. We're gonna be in Japan tomorrow. I'm really excited to show you guys that.